Welcome all. Today our fourth lesson in our graphic design lessons. And today we are going to use Photopea for making transfer design. Welcome Shukru. I'm opening my screen.
Okay,
Did you ever use Photopea?
no, I don't.
It's free. You can think it's free version of Photoshop. I'm gonna do Insta Portrait, and I'm changing the DPI 72 to 300 for better quality, and I'm changing name. But before the starting, I'm going to change the language. And now I'm clicking the Insta Portrait. I'm changing the name. I'm changing the DPI, and now, oops, now we are going to do transfer announcement. So, Shukru, do it support any team from Turkey or Europe?
Yes, I support
Which team?
Beşiktaş.
Okay, I'm gonna use stadium photo from here, and now I'm gonna resize it. And yes, I'm gonna make I'm gonna find a Cerny photo for transfer announcement. HD quality. Oops. Let's look at it. I'm trying to find high quality. I think it looks good. Yes. And I'm clicking the file and clicking the open and place. If I click the open, there's a new page in here. Let's try it before I'm doing it. For example, let's try it. I'm clicked open and clicked it again. There's another page because we should do open and place for there. And now I'm going to click edit for making smaller the size of photo, and I'm clicking into free transform, and we have two options. For first option is we can do this with our own hands in this app. There's a tool background razor. I'm making size bigger and selecting layer. I can try this, but this tool don't works so good in every photo, because this photo has so many colors. So I can try another website for this, or I can choose and control and pressing Control Z, or just deleting and adding new photo. And we can try this tool, the lasso select. We can make it like I'm using my mouse for this, but let's try this one. Photoshop uh, pro in Photoshop program it makes border auto, but Photopea don't has this stuff, so we are making it with our own hands. And after I'm gonna use another website for removing background, but first I'm gonna try this one. And now I'm gonna press Ctrl G for new layer. For example, I clicking this symbol for don't look the old photo. There's a new layer. For example, I'm closing this view and I can remove this photo. And now I'm going to remove the other parts of the photo. I'm going to select background eraser for better result. It's kind of long. It's kind of um, looks make it looks long, but we are trying to do this, or we just try to remove big website, remove background. I'm going to upload my photo to here, but in this site quality is being bad, but we can try this type of editing. For example, I'm clicking open and place. As you can see, it looks like blurred. You can see the difference. Maybe we can find another site for this. Remove, remove, removing background, high quality ground, high quality, and we can use Adobe Express for this. I upload my photo. Let's see the result. I'm downloading it, and now welcome. I'm moving the bad quality one, and let's add our new photo from open and place. As you can see, in the quality is not looks good, but we can try this one. I'm going to move the Cerny for better. Oops. From clicking this one, move tool from here. Okay, and now I'm going to add gradient. And if I choose this one, it looks. Let's try it. I'm choosing layer. I'm choosing background, but we should use change this one because that works better. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going going to rasterize my photo, and now I can add gradient to my photo. Before to do this, I'm going to change the color of the background air, and for this I'm going to click this symbol for Magic Wand, and I'm going to change. First I'm clicking the air, and second I'm pressing shift to for better for other select other piece of air. I'm clicking tiny details, and it looks done. And after I'm clicking Ctrl G again, and there's our new layer. And now I'm closing the other layer, and now I'm going to click filter for change the color of the air, and after the filter I'm clicking camera raw. There's other settings you can as you can see, we also see these settings in this Canva, but I'm gonna change the curves. I'm clicking red. If I make it to this side, it looks like white or blue, like a morning, but I'm going to do this for I'm going to choosing blue one. Welcome to
Hi.
we can try this one, maybe we can do it gray. Also we can change the other options from saturation or vibrance, but I'm going to change the green. Make it make it like a pink. Also I can change the temperature for other colors. For example, we can do another colors, but I'm going to do this color. And now I'm going to add gradient, and now I'm going to add text top, or I'm going to change the font from this side. I'm clicking here, and I'm going to find my font. Probably I'm using Montserrat. If you have any advice for font, I'm gonna use it. I'm making it extra bold, or I'm going to use it thin, and I'm going to write there. Oops, I'm going to make it color white, and I'm going to make it size bigger, like it. Yes, I can change the alignment from top. I make it center, and now I'm clicking the move tool for move. Also I can click edit and free transform and make it smaller size. And now I'm going to add Vaclav Sarni name to here. For here I'm going to add Vac Love, and I'm changing it to semi bold, and I'm clicking alt and left click from mouse and writing Sarni. And now I'm going to free transform this to text. Now I'm going to make this, and I'm do this Sarni, and now I'm choosing the two text from right side, and I'm changing the position from right side. I'm making like this, and now I'm gonna add his number from this place, make it black, and I'm going to make it bigger. And I can add more gradient for this photo. Also, I can change the background. For example, I'm closing the views of the another things, and now I'm going to blur the back side of photo. I'm making size higher, and now I'm going to blur the back side of the stadium, and I'm going to sharpen the displays, and now I'm open all of them views. Oops, not all of them. We can change the positions, or we can make another design for his shirt number. I'm going to make it size smaller. I'm going to deleting the copy from here, and now I'm going to make it free transform. Yes, we can make it more like medium, and I'm going to add so many 17. Oops. And now I'm going to make its opacity. I'm going to reduce the opacity, and I'm going to add gradient to bottom of the photo from choosing my layer. Also, I can do this one for white. Oops, not this one. This, we have another gradient tools from here. For example, we can try another ones. Another, but I will try to do this. And now, what we can add this photo to TA? Do you have any advice for this photo? Yo, is it good?
I think it looks good.
Maybe we can add logo from the back side of the photo. here I am.
But the text Vaclav is so close to the left side of the photo, I think. I think we need to like
Which one? Can
Vaclav text is so close to the left side of the photo, I think. It looks a little bit.
let's. Is it good?
Yes, yes, that looks good. I
And now
it's
we
better.
adding logo of Beşiktaş. I'm going to erase the background of the photo. It's too easy for only just two colors photo. And now I'm going to make opacity like this. This looks okay. And now I'm going to make it not like this. Hmm. I think it's our design is done. In last lesson we used Canva, and this in this lesson we used Photopea. Canva is more user friendly because this one is copy of the Photoshop and more complicated, but Canva has a templates and has a easy interface. it, I'm using Canva for just presentation. If I want to make like this design, I'm going to using Photopea. And now let's export this photo. I am clicking file, and there are some settings. We can first we can save the photo or design. I'm clicking save as PSD. Photoshop form. I can change the name from here. I'm doing it. Vaclav Vaclav Cerny. And I saved my PSD, and after I save my PSD I can save from this here, or I can just but press this Ctrl C. Also I can export this photo from for PNG, JPEG, WebP, PDF, CFG. Like I'm going to export PNG. Before they export it, I'm going to make it quality high. Here I'm going to come to image, and from here making size double it. And now I'm going to export Vaclav Cerny. I'm saving, and our photo is done. I can also show my other designs from here. I'm clicking open. Let's look at the other PSDs from here. uh, if you follow the its process, you can see our designs from there. For example, we designed this one, and I'm opening another one. We also did this one too. The black side of the photo is for mm, photo, and after all the lessons you can start to design this or this. Our lesson is finished. Thanks for attending, everyone. Have a good day.
Have a good day to
See
you,
you in
Ayman.
the see you in the next lesson.
See you.